ideal machine for garden maintenance contractors and larger lifestyle blocks, the Hansa Model C16 comes standard as a road towable unit. Starting at the C16 is a breeze with a soft start engagement system. Powered by a quality easy starting 16 horsepower V-twin Briggs & Stratton Vanguard petrol engine, its twin belt drive provides smooth running and protects your engine against shock loads. The C16 Chipper has a single large inlet chute at a convenient operating height for feeding large bundles of brushy and twiggy materials, vines and branches up to a diameter of 100mm. Pre-cutting of branches is minimised due to the large feed chute and exposed blade area. Hansa Chippers have a very efficient self-feeding action, resulting in a user-friendly machine that's easy on the operator. The inertia generated by the large rotor disc creates enough momentum to keep cutting, as well as giving the machine enough draft to discharge the mulch through its 360-degree swivel outlet at a height of 1.5 metres. Access to the blades and clearing of the cutting chamber is a breeze. Undo 2 bolts and everything is accessible within seconds. The blades are individually adjustable, eliminating the need for anvil adjustment and allowing for optimal clearance. The C16's DuraTorque axle suspension delivers smooth towing. Its solid housing construction of 5mm thick steel plate provides longevity destined to last you a lifetime. Its compact design means that it can be easily manoeuvred and operated in areas with restricted access. Why waste precious time carting organic waste to the dump when a Hansa Chipper can be utilised to turn waste into a useful mulch for your garden, reducing the growth of weeds and retaining moisture in the soil?